Okay, so I did start to say just a moment ago, I was noticing that for some reason this line, it stops right there, that blue line. And there I just have that yellow projected line there. So you do actually need to grab the corner of that line, on mine at least, and drag it down. There's my green dot, let go of it. And now that connects and it's all blue there. For whatever reason, that did not get connected there before. So if you notice something like that on yours, you definitely need to connect those together. Much better to drag that line down, as I did there, click and hold on and drag it, than what it is to make a new line there. Because you don't want it to have multiple lines. So there, that looks great. We're going to go ahead and finish that sketch. We're going to extrude. And on this one, I'm going to extrude a little bit more, about 0.75, and see what that looks like. Let's hit RS6. And I really think that looks pretty good. I really think this other part maybe needs to go 0.75, so let's see what I think about there. We can edit this obviously back and forth. You know, I really think that doesn't look too bad. Might be a little bit thick there, but I really think it's going to be okay. Alright, so with that, we're going to go ahead and put on our holes. Yep, holes next, so we're going to go hole command. Just like we did the hole command just a moment ago, we're going to pick a surface here. So again, I'm going to put it way over here out of the way so you can see how it changes when I pick the concentric option. So I'm going to pick there. That hole's there, but now all I have to do is just go ahead and come in here and click on that circle. I highlight it, and notice how it's going to center that up perfectly in that circle. So it's centered up, concentric to this other one. Looks beautiful. The size of that maybe is a little bit small. Maybe I'm going to go 1.25, or not 0.125, sorry, 1.25. And see what that looks like. And I really think that looks pretty good. I'm going to do my hole command again. Excuse me. I'm going to put my hole there. And this hole to me looks a little bit larger. So I'm going to go 1.5 for the hole. And then again, I'm going to use that concentric portion of it and click on that arc there. Centers up there nicely. Again, it's remembering what I used the last time. Which was through all, so it's going through all. It's doing just a simple hole, no special type of counterbores or countersinks or anything on that, and I'm just going to go OK. So there's my holes looking great there, and this drawing really looks pretty good. The only thing I have left is, and notice I did not put these on the sketch, are the fillets. Much, much better to put your fillets on afterwards when the thing's a 3D solid. So I'm going to flip this up to where I can see these bottom edges a little bit here, and then go into my fillet command, and I'm going to pick that line there and that one there, those two corners that I'm filleting. 0.125 is not enough, so I'm going to increase that up to maybe 0.5. Let's see what that looks like. 0.5 is not bad. I actually think it's about appropriate, but I maybe need to edit this other part of the drawing just a little bit. So I'm going to go OK, hit my F6. I think that looks good, but I get kind of into this hole a little bit. So to me, I need to stretch this hole down a little bit further. So for that, I need to fix my measurements there. So I'm going to go back here. That part was extrusion 2. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to edit the sketch on extrusion 2. And so instead of 2.5 down there, well, maybe I go 3. And see what that looks like. Finish my sketch. Come into there. That doesn't look too bad. It really, to me, almost looks like it's sticking out a little bit further. So maybe that circle needs to be a little bit larger. So let me go back to that sketch. I'm going to change that to 1.5. And finish my sketch there. You know, I really think that's looking pretty good. Again, it's not exactly like the book, but I really think that's looking pretty good. Our fillets look nice. I think that drawing's all finished. You can go ahead and change that material to something. Oh yeah, gold. Loving it. And you can save that one to, and again, I had you save the last one to your activity folder. I know you did this one all with me, but that's okay. Just gives you one place with a page 81 and 82 folder. So save this to your page 81 and 82 folder, which is inside of your activity folder, and save this one as page 82 Top-I. Page 82 Top-I. Save this again there in your activity folder, and that'll be great. Alright, so now for what you're going to do. Those two obviously we did all together. Showed you those. I want you to do some choices here. Your choices. I want you to choose between letter A on the top. All these will be on the top. So on the top, I want to choose between A, O, D. I think we could do E, F, G, H, J, and that's about it. The other ones have a few other little parts on it I think are going to be a little bit different for you. So I think choosing between those, choose any of those, and do one of those drawings. If you get everything done real quickly, you could do another one for independent work on those. Again, I'll probably make a little slide here on Word that gives you all those same letters once again. All right, so there it is again. Choosing one between the top of page 82, A, D, E, F, G, H, or J. So we'll give you several to pick from there. Choose one of those to do. Again, save that to your activity folder. And then you can do one other one for independent work. And there'll be something a little bit new to do tomorrow. Carry on. Good luck.